In this product review, we're going to look at the Motul Air Filter Service Kit. Now it has everything you need to clean your air filter or change it because it's got 2 of them in it. Now the kit comes with 2 air filters, as I said. They're high flow Filtro dual stage racing foam filters that are manufactured using a special dual layer foam that's formulated to maximise filtration with optimum airflow for improved power. The kit also comes with 1 litre of Motec foam filter cleaner. It's specially formulated for air filters. It removes and breaks down air filter oil and contains a detergent to ensure a thorough clean by simply rinsing with water. Last but not least is 1 litre of Motul Air Filter oil. This is an industry-leading air filter oil, providing improved air filter efficiency for better carburation. So this kit is fantastic because of 2 reasons. One is the foam filter cleaner. That is amazing for cleaning your air filters, and it will last. It's only 1 litre, but you can use it over and over again. And of course the Motul Air Filter oil is top notch. And the kit comes with 2 air filters. Now this is fantastic if you're an enduro rider and you've got a dusty day and you're going to ride the next day, change it over, not a problem. If you're a motocross rider, even better. Between races, if it's dusty, muddy, wet, whatever the conditions may be, change over that air filter, you're set to go. This kit is absolutely fantastic. It's a lot cheaper buying it in the box with everything in it than it is buying it separately. Go down to your local dealership, tell them if they don't have it to order in the Motul Air Filter Service Kit.